easy?
Because that's what I named it.
It's easy.
It's Izzy. Izzy.
Stands for?
I-Z-Z-Y. Izzy.
Okay, we just bought a towel, so we're just gonna be wiping it.
Can I roll my window
Happy
down?
Sunday, everyone.
Can I roll my window?
Ay, Kara, gusto mong mabasa?
Pwede?
Hindi. Woohoo! Yay, sarap. Ayan, presko na naman tayo, guys. Pagkatapos natin kumain ng turon at pansit sa loob ng sasakyan. Here we go! Gusto ko yun pagkain, no? Yung mga bubbles pa na.
Mga cardigans.
Kara,
Mga cardigans.
mga parties.
Hi guys.
So magpupunas tayo sa
Sexy ng driver natin.
siksik. Alrighty.